KTN, because you deserve to know. So Centum Investment Group cut its half-year losses by 67% on the back of increased revenues across the business lines. The net loss for the half-year ended September 2021 was 662.1 million compared to 1.9 billion loss that the diversified investment firm had posted in the preceding similar period. During the review period, Centum's trading business returned to 255 million profit compared to 317 million loss recorded in half-year 2020. The improved performance in trading business was held by Longhorn Publishers, which posted a recovery following the reopening of schools. Financial services business returned a five-fold growth in profit to 310 million Kenya shillings compared to 38 million in previous half-year period, as subsidiaries such as Syrian Bank, Nabo Capital and Zohari Leasing posting recoveries. Very well. The Ministry of Water has caved into pressure and agreed to review controversial water regulations which had sought to increase water tariffs